Buffalo Shuffle is a card game where all the cards are dealt out evenly among the players. When Annika and 3 of her friends play, that's 4 players, and each one is dealt 15 cards. Now suppose 2 more friends join for the next game. So there are 6 players. How many cards will be dealt to each player? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is that the whole deck is the same in both games. So first let's find how many cards are in the deck. With 4 players each getting 15 cards. The total is 4 times 15, which is 60 cards. In the next game there are 6 players sharing the same 60 cards. Dividing 60 by 6 gives 10 cards for each player. So each player is dealt 10 cards.